So let us begin with an exciting week to start with our bread cheese pockets. Please do not forget to have a look onto our description box below for the exact ratio and the process to be followed. So let us note down the ingredients for the bread cheese pockets. Let us start with the veggies first. Here I've taken some carrots, around half cup of carrot and a half cup of capsicum, that is bell peppers. In total it was around 2/3 cup or more. You can experiment on the veggie section. You can add in more of some other veggies if possible, but I've taken some carrots. 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, half cup of corn, boiled corn, this has been pre-boiled, salt and pepper for taste, around 5 to 8 bread loaves, 2 to 3 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped, and all you need is around half cup of mozzarella cheese and pepper and salt for taste. For 5 to 8 pieces of bread loaf, you need around half cup of cheese. With the help of a scissor or a knife, please cut the end of the loaf's crust. See that you remove all the edges equally. Cut them and separate it and save it for later for making breadcrumbs. Kindly check until the end of the video for the process of making breadcrumbs. Press them firmly and roll them into thin sheets. Follow the exact similar process for all the other bread pockets. In a hot pan, add in the oil and then add all the veggies together, combine them, cook them for around 5 to 8 minutes approx. Add the tomato sauce and keep it aside. Transfer the cooked veggies into an open pan and then let it cool for 5 minutes, and you can add in your mozzarella cheese and give it a good mix. If you do not want to use the milk, then instead you can use water. Now just fill in the pockets with only 1 to 2 tablespoons of the corn and cheesy mixture. Roll them tight and pinch the edges to seal off the pockets completely. Please note, if you want to skip the milk altogether, you can just use water instead. Post you add in the mixture, the corn cheesy mixture, just give it a good tight roll and seal off the edges with a firm pinch. Carefully seal all the edges completely, or else it's going to splutter in the hot oil and it's going to create a mess then. Follow the same pattern. Fill, roll and pinch and seal all the edges. Repeat all the process similarly for all the bread pockets. Now carefully drop them into medium hot oil. Please remember that it's bread pockets, so it hardly needs 2 to 3 minutes. Maximum is 3 minutes and minimum is 2 minutes. That's all it needs to get completely done. So here I've got some yummy, crispy and cheesy bread pockets in just 3 minutes. I enjoy making these cheesy bread pockets. I hope you enjoy watching it together, and make them for your kids and enjoy it together. So, okay, now let's turn the crust end of the loaf into a breadcrumb. Please blend them dry. Do not add any water or oil to it. Just blend all the crust end of the loaf into a mixture. I haven't ever purchased breadcrumbs from the market. I always make them at home. Once opened, please consume it before a month. Post you blend the mixture, immediately transfer the breadcrumbs into an airtight container and you can store it for good 1 to 2 months. You could refrigerate for a month and you can keep it on a room temperature for a week. Thanks for watching my channel Dimples and Arabian Journey. If you like my videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also do connect us on our Facebook and Instagram page by the name Flour and Aroma. Thank you so much.